So can not sleeping together save a marriage? Yes, but it's not what you think. All right, this is something from newsrepublic.net. Sleep divorce is now very common. It's saving marriages. Go to your room has a whole new meaning, according to this article. So more couples sleep apart than you think. Nearly 1 in 4 have separate bedrooms. That's a lot. But sleeping separately has become so common in relationships, it's called sleep divorce. Whether it's because of snoring issues or just plain wanting to be alone, it's become less taboo to say goodnight and head to your wing of the house. And guess what? Experts are saying sleep divorce is saving marriages. See you in the morning. Science and personal experience tells us that sleep deprivation is the equivalent of slowly going insane. Yeah, it takes a toll on our bodies and our minds. And if our partner is the one causing our wide-awake nightmares, then this sounds like a pretty small price to pay for peace. Let's see. Poor sleep can have negative effects on relationships. Yeah, lack of sleep may diminish the positive feelings we have for our partners. Researchers found people with lower quality sleep demonstrated lower levels of gratitude and were more likely to have feelings of selfishness than those who slept well. I know when I don't sleep well, I use Windows a lot more than Linux. Just a joke. People who slept poorly showed less of a sense of appreciation for their partners. So what's more, poor sleep on the part of one person in the relationship had a negative effect on the feelings of appreciation and gratitude for both partners. So, you want to save your relationship? Stop sleeping together. Sort of. Let me know what you guys think. I'll have a link for the story below in the show notes.